Let's look at a couple examples of how to find the volume of three-dimensional shapes. My first one is going to be a cylinder. Okay? And we learned in a previous video and in a class that to find the volume of any three-dimensional shape, you want to find the area of its base and multiply it by its height. I'm going to write that formula down. We use capital B for area of the base, and then H for height. So, the area of our base, well, our base is a circle. Right? And we find the area of a circle by doing pi times radius squared. Pi times radius times radius. So that's the area of our base. And of course, then at the end, we need to find the height. It's kind of like finding one layer and then stacking that up a bunch of times in order to figure out your value. Well, in this example, pi, we're going to use 3.14. Radius, well, it gives us our diameter of 18. Remember, radius is half of that. So 9 squared. And times our height is going to be 5 meters. We'll rewrite this one more time. Pi times r squared times our height. If we do that, we'll pull out a calculator, we get an answer 1,271, about 0.7. And since it's volume, we're talking about filling it up with cubes, so meters cubed. Same approach can be made with a triangular prism. Yes, it's going to have a different area of the base, but the volume is still the area of its base times height. Well, this base is a triangle. In fact, it's a right triangle. So we are going to figure out its area by doing base times height divided by 2. The base of the triangle is 8. The height of the triangle is 3. We're going to divide that in half because it's a triangle. That's the area of the base. That's the big B. We still need to multiply that by the height, this time not the height of the triangle, but the height of the whole prism. We can do this calculation pretty easy. We got 24 divided by 2. That gives us 12. And we get our final value, 12 times 9, 108, in this case, inches cubed. So, two completely different three-dimensional shapes using the same volume formula, right, making sure to appropriately do the areas of our individual bases along the way.